Hōʻike production has been made possible in part by the Rice Street Business Association and Kauaʻi Family Magazine. We have Chris and Lainey both with the ADRC, which is a division of the Agency on Elderly Affairs. And this is actually their second visit here because we had some difficulty.
I love you so much. Yes.
Aloha Kauaʻi. I'm Trisha Allen, and this is Lainey and Chris. They are both with the ADRC, which is a division of the Agency on Elderly Affairs, and this is Community Connections. All right, now before we talk about the ADRC and what you folks do, I do have to, full disclosure, let you guys know this is the second time they visited the studio because of technical difficulties the first time. So I'm already very well versed with the ADRC, but the folks at home may not be. So let's start with what it is that the ADRC does.
So ADRC is the Aging and Disabilities Resource Center. So yes, it's a branch of the Agency on Elderly Affairs. The main component that we have is the information and referral section of our job. And then we also provide in-home assessments to determine eligibility for in-home services that our agency offers.
Okay, and determining eligibility is sort of where you folks begin, right? When people call in or walk in or email?
Email, walk in, schedule an appointment, or call. We prefer calling. Calling is the easiest and best way to get a hold of us because we're often out in the field. And so, calling first so we could have a conversation before anybody has to take time out to come in, or we go out to them. We can go through some pre-screening questions to see if they qualify for any type of assessment for our services.
Okay, and if they don't qualify for any of the in-house services you provide, what happens next?
So that is where information and referral section comes in. So we will then look at what the needs are and see if we can't make the connection or referral to outside agencies in the community that does provide that service. So making connections within the community.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're kind of a one-stop shop, right? People who need help, elderly, 55 and over, right? Or 65?
64 and
60.
Oh, that's good to know. Okay, so 60 and older can give you folks a call and figure out if they're eligible for any of your services. And if they're not, you give them maybe other options and point them in that direction.
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's talk about the services that you do have for these Kupuna. What kind of things are they?
We have legal aid services. We have a falls and fire prevention program. We do referrals to other partners that we are with. So kind of contract out where we partner up with other agencies to provide things like the home delivered meals that people often refer to as Meals on Wheels, that type of services.
And other in-home services, there are various, yes, like Chris said, we do partner. So ADA as a whole, Elderly Affairs as a whole, provides a wide variety of services within the umbrella of AEA. And a lot of the services are through contract providers that we provide. So yes, like our legal aid and our home delivery meal services.
All right. I mean, because it's pretty straightforward, the ADRC.
Yeah.
You're just the first step in the process of Kupuna getting their hands on needed resources.
Yes.
So
We're the one-stop shop that if we can't provide a service, then we can refer you to someone or somewhere that can provide the service and give them direction and first steps to take.
okay.
Yeah, and then another thing is that when we do call in, and that's why we encourage people to call in first. The information and referral specialists are divided in amongst districts, right? Within the county of Kauai. And that's so that each information and referral specialist can get more familiar with the resources within that particular community. So yes, we look at referral sources in the community as a whole, but then also individually within that district. So what may be offered are partnerships within, like, say, local churches within the Kaua area. That might be a resource for that district, whereas it may look something else or look like something else in, say, the Kauaʻi district. So that's how we're broken up. But when you call into our main line, you will get one of the INRs or the information and referral specialist that will address your need right then and there. So that's why, like we said, we recommend the call. We want to make sure that anybody who is needing assistance gets the allotted time that they deserve. So even though we have walk-ins and stuff, we may be busy. That's why we encourage the call-ins.
It's like the AEA concierge service. You guys just know where everything is and where to point people if you can't provide it.
Yes. And things are constantly changing depending on the situation. You know, at any given time, there might be housing resources that come through. We don't assist with housing placement, but we can provide information to community partners that are assisting with housing and that sort of thing. Yeah.
All right. So calling is the best way, right?
Yes.
Son, what's that number?
808-241-4470.
Walk-ins are also an option. If
Yes.
for some reason somebody doesn't want to call, can you let us know where you're located?
Sure.
So our office is located at the County Complex, the Hōʻike Building, 444 Rice Street, Suite 330.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you for coming back a second time. It was just as fun as the first time, but that was all off camera.
Yes.
So we appreciate all the information and everything that you do. This whole being the first line of, Kupuna getting their needs met is huge. So let's go over the phone number just one more time to make sure.
808-241-4470.
I love that so much. Thanks, ladies.